I'm going to address the issue of E2 visa and the likelihood of getting a green card following approval. Well, as you know, e-visas are non-immigrant visas. There is no direct way to get a green card. That's actually a requirement to show that you have an intent to return to your home country at the end of the visa. We're actually proving that to the consulate when we apply for those visas. But many of our e-visa applicants carry the visa for 5, 10 years, and at some point, everybody wants to be able to stay here longer and get a green card. So how do you get a green card after an e-visa? Well, there are several ways to do it. First of all, there is no direct way to get it from the initial business. But in many cases, once an applicant has already established themselves in the US, for example, let's say there's a restaurant. If the restaurant is successful, you can create a separate business where you can market the services of the food business. Perhaps you're selling a pizza and you're selling it now to stores. The separate business can create revenue, and that business may be able to launch an application for a green card to the original founders. Another way is for the e-visa applicants to transition to an EB-5, which is a more expensive visa in the sense of funds, but an EB-5 allows you to invest $1 million in your own business or $500,000 in the regional center, where you can separate from the e-visa and then get a green card this way. Another way is, for example, if an applicant is married and a spouse launches a green card application with another employer, once they get to the point of adjustment of status, then the e-visa applicant can join the spouse and get a green card this way. If they have kids who are over the age of 21 and they were born in the US, they can also file for their parents and get green cards. So as you can see, there are many different ways to get a green card following an E2 visa. Everybody's going to have a different situation. It's important to speak to an immigration attorney to understand what is going to work in your case. We've done it before and we know it's doable. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments or email us directly, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Thank you for watching.